In yesterday's class, we have seen how to configure this program in schematic manner, right? So up to here we have seen calling the address in the program. Now, for this program, to display the status in HMI, we have to configure HMI module, and also we are having the software. The software is Wincc flexible 2008. This is SP5, means Service Pack 5 for Windows 10. A similar configuration is for your Windows 7 also. Okay, some service pack is added here. This which is flexible. Now open this which is flexible. So here we are having recently edited projects, create new project with project wizard. Where this wizard will have predefined uh, windows for navigation. Okay, directly you can select here and open an existing project and create a new project. Okay, if you have already done any projects, that also you can open. The list will be there available here that you can open. Um, open the most recently edited project means the last one which you are working with. Okay, that it will display. So we go with the empty project here. As you can see, there are different types of panels are there: micro panel, mobile panel, basic panels. Okay, so the panel we are having that you can select from the list. Okay, 6-inch mono touch panels are there. Okay, color panels, etc. In 270, also 10-inch screens, optical panel, TP panel, and suppose if you don't have a hardware, okay, you can work with PC. Okay, means you can convert your extra available PC into HMI by using this PC, which is a flexible runtime software. Okay, and in TIA portal, okay, updated software in that version, they are launched a new panels called KTP. Okay, KTP panels. The similar numbers like 170, 270 like that. Same conversion, you have to do same similar properties in file. Okay. Only thing you have to do is conversion in hardware. Okay. Like PLC, you can see in the TI portal hardware, right? So here, there also you can see on HMI image. Okay, and you are linking this hardware and HMI. Okay, such image will appear in the hardware device configuration in TI portal. That is the difference. And say okay if you add create your project. Now here you can see these are project, and this is having some screens. Okay, you can add more screens here. The screen one which is displayed here. Okay, you can rename this like rename like for welcome. Okay, one welcome screen will be there whenever you power up your HMI module. This will show one welcome picture. Okay, for this you can take some text here from tools. In the right side window, you can see we are having some tools for drawing or making any object or selecting available object. Okay, available means like already design objects which are available in the industry. Okay, so that is available in the library also, symbol library. In the what you can select any object here. Below it will show you the list of the objects you require. It will select the library in the symbol library. Bottom. I've whatever the tool is required, that you can select from here. So in welcome window, what we are going to do is we are going to take some text from simple object and text field. Add it here, drag it here. Give a text like whatever plant we are configuring, that you can select. You can adjust this, and you can increase the size of this text by selecting the font size. Something like this. You can adjust it in the window. Now, if I want to add some picture, okay, process picture, what we have to do from graphics tools, we have graphics view. Select this, drag it over here. You can select the size. Then you need to browse. Select this button to open the pictures locations, and you can browse and you can select. You can see the picture is added here. You can select. Select concept, it will be added. Now, next, I want to add some buttons for your windows. Okay, how many windows you are going to create, it depends. So according to that, you can add the buttons. Like we are going to see some basic application like digital application and for analog application. Okay. See. The one is for like select the button. At the bottom you can see under property window. Here in HMI it shows the property window at the bottom. Okay, and here you can select the general and you can change the text. Like this is an example. Okay, select here. Okay, then select the button. For example, select the button. Select here. You can configure. You can configure. This we can configure here in the HMI. Now, save this window. When you click on the save button, it asks you for the project name. So I'm giving some project name like 123 something, project 123, and save it. Okay. So next we have to add some more screens here. Okay, that will add one by one. But before that, we configure the communication. Okay, So go to the communications. First create the connections here. Then click on the connections here. So select example like PLC1 something, some PLC name. And below you can see we are having interface. So which one we are using? Ethernet. So select Ethernet. And here on the Ethernet we are giving what? IP addresses for your PLC and HMI. So for your HMI 2.165. I'm giving because this 10 I'm selecting from my PC. Here if you see my networks signal, here we are having network and internet settings. Okay, so we go to this internet settings. We have internet option. Okay, this is for Windows 10 and Windows 11 also it might show. Okay, then you have to go to network and sharing center, and then you have to go to change adapter settings. Here it will display the Ethernet driver. Okay, and my laptop that port, okay, RJ45 port is of this brand Qualcomm Across. In some laptop this Ethernet ports are not available nowadays. Okay, so that will not be displayed. You can use the any number. So internet protocol version 4, and the properties where if you go, you can see the IP address of this laptop. It is 192.168.0.10. Okay, so this address I'm using here. Okay, so okay. Yes. Now after selecting the IP address, close this window. Then here we have to set the HMI device address. Okay, because I'm using my laptop as a HMI. Okay, or PC, whatever you are using, the IP address you have to set here. Then for your PLC, it is 192.168.0.1. Yes, that was seen yesterday. How to configure, and slot number is 2. Then save these settings. Now, after it is done, go for the tags. In the tags, you have to create tags for start, or PLC connection 1. Okay, PLC 1. Data type is bool for boolean, and then address is db1.dbx0.0. Okay, that you can check with the program. db1.dbx0.0. Okay, so the same address it will be taken here, or if you want to change, just from here you can select the option range type db input output, whatever you are using, that you have to select. Then db number 1, db byte number 0 or bit number 0. Okay, array element is 1, only one tag we are using. Okay, then acquisition cycle means collecting data from PLC. Acquisition means collecting data. Okay, from where? From PLC. At what time we should update? Okay, so the minimum time is 100 milliseconds here. That time you can select here. Okay, similarly for another tag stop, automatically takes the next bit. If it is not the same address, you have to change. Then motor. What is the address for motor here? Is Q0.0. Okay, so back off. Make the range that is output. Byte number 0, bit number 0. So make it 0. And update time 100 milliseconds. Okay, now I save this. Now After creating tags, we have to assign these tags to the objects we are using in HMI. So double click on add screen here on the screens. The screen number 2 is added. You can rename the screen, right click, rename like digital example. Now here we have to take some buttons and motor symbols. Okay. So for that, go to simple objects under tools, take a button, here. So just Control C and Control V means copy paste. The two buttons, one is for start, one is for stop. You can rename this, select the button at bottom in the properties, see the text. We are just changing the text. Okay, not doing any diagonal here. Let's start. Now, so we have to generate some action when you press the button. Yes, what action you have to do? When you press the button, your output should be on, right? For this, we have to go to properties. The same button start. You can see at the bottom, it having some properties like general properties. Properties is for appearance, means display. So it should display in 3D border, some background color. Okay, so these colors also you can modify. Okay, you can see I'm changing some color. Depends on the settings. Okay. Now for stop, that also you can change. So I'll go for the start now. It is for layout, text, okay, text size or type, okay, that you can select from here. Okay, similarly for this button also you can change the text type like bold. Now I select the start button. So this is for general display properties. Now you want to show. Then there are animation. Animation means some graphics, okay, dynamic properties, okay, some result, okay. So here we're not doing this also for start button because we are pressing the button. So for that, go to the events. In the events, you can see the hand click, press, release, activate, deactivate, change, different options are available for events. That means when you press the button, what you have to execute. So for a push button, we are pressing and releasing, right? So we have to take this both properties, press and release. So when you press, what it should do, you select the press button, property here. Here you can see the same function, property function here, property here. Now here we are having some options. From there, we are having different functions, what you want to do. The first we are doing is edit bits. We are editing the bit because start is a digital address, okay? So it is a bit, 0 or 1, on or off. So here under edit bit, you have to do set bit. So when you press start, you have to set. Set what? Here we have to give the tag name. You have to set one tag name, that is your start. For this start tag, we are having this address. So this address will be set to 1. So select this is added here. So when you release this button, it should become 0, right? That means reset. Then after selecting this press property, go for release. Then we have to drag the select reset. Then you have to select same start button. Because when you press the start button, it should become 1, and when you release, it should become 0. Okay. So that's why for press set, for release reset. Okay. For the same start tag. Similarly for stop button, you also have when you press set with or stop, then release reset, and then stop. Okay. Now we are given properties to start and stop. Okay, what it should do means when you press 1, then you release 0. Next, we have to take the output. For outputs, you can go to enhance objects in the tools window here, on the right side. Double click on enhance object, it will open. From there, you go to the symbol library, select the symbol library and drag it over here. You can select the size of your object. So below you can see that I have motors. So select this motor also, shape, any shape motor you can select. Okay, that will be displayed here. Now, for this motor status, we cannot directly use any property here. Whenever we are selecting from symbol library, for that go to simple objects, select some rectangle, some object here, and drag it and overlap this on the motor. Okay. Then for this object which we are overlap, select this object in this rectangle. Okay. Go to the animation because we have to change the animation. Go to the animation. We are dynamizing it. Okay. For that animation, select appearance. Enable this appearance. Go to the tag. Select the motor tag under this. As it is a bit status, means 0 or 1. So when it is 0 and when it is 1, so double click below also to show value 0 and value 1. So when it is 0, what it should display means which color should show. It is off, it should show some red color, and when it is on, it should show some green. Okay, that's it. Color here, like this. Now after this, I save the window. But one more thing we have to do is we have to take one more button at the bottom for navigation. Select one button. Here. You can select the size of the button and you can like one picture or something if you want to add. So name is like home or something. Now for this button when you press, it should go to the home window. So you can also go to the events. When you press the button, okay, go for the press the button. In this, close this edit bits. Here we are having screens option. And the screens means what you have to do is you have to change the screen. So go to the screens. Here we are having activate screen option. Means when you press this button, it should activate one screen that is called welcome. Okay, select this screen name. Okay, when you select the screen name, then save this window. Now go back to the welcome window. When you double click, okay, means when you press the digital button, it should open the digital window. Okay, so go to the events, select the button first, then go to the events, press property under events. Here also activate screen. Then select the digital screen name, digital screen 2, save it. Then save this also. So after doing this, okay, just check whether your program is online or not. Okay, it is online already. Now here I go to runtime. Okay, so here you can select this tick mark or a right button for checking for errors. If there are any errors, it will compile and check the errors. To check this again, output option here. One more window is appearing here at the bottom. It's showing 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, you can close this. Then Beside this generate button, we are having start runtime system. Click on this runtime. Comes online here. Okay. So this is your runtime window. Click on digital. This is, when you click on start, you can see it has changed the color here. When you press top, this is right. To check the result, go to the Windows. Open this window here. You can see it is on. Motor is on. You press stop, or you can modify here also by using this simulator. I0.1 is first stop. So I take this, okay. Okay, you can see the result here also. Okay, and if I start from here, the output is on, and I can start from here also. Okay, you see the result here. The output is on. I can go to home, but if you go out, okay, means to stop this runtime, you need to start from here. Close it. And come out. And if you want to set the runtime window size, okay, means resolution, you have to go to the settings here, device settings. In this, double click on device settings. You have to change the resolution here, screen resolution. Okay. So you can see that. Save this. You can close this. So like this also you can change the window size. Start. Have to go offline. Okay. These are the methods you have to follow.